turn your light. Your lights. Turn your headlights on. Yeah. No, they're not. There you go. Fog lights. Yeah. That was sick. Holy fuck. That was so loud. Oh my god. Look at that. They're warm. That sounded so good. It was so loud.
Did it do the flutter?
Yeah, at the end, yeah, it did.
I'm gonna do a burnout.
Alright, I'll try my best.
Yeah, literally right next to the cloud.
I'm gonna get a little bit of the clouds and I'll come back here. Yeah. That's his turbo.